California hotel.
Yay.
Amillia, we're here. We're all checked in. We're going to get our luggage eventually into the room, and we're about to head into the California Adventure Park.
All right, let's go.
Hide behind the balloon. The race is on! Yay! Early morning is so nice. It's always nice to get here early because there's not a lot of people yet.
We're now conducting our final
Run! You got banana bread? Oh, thank you. I love you. You say Disneyland! Yay! Disneyland! Are you eating food? Hey, the crowd's coming! Woohoo! Joe, you got your glasses?
Yep.
Clear. Oh, here we go! Here we go! You excited? Do you love Disneyland? Yeah? Cool. We have just left the Avengers Land area and we're going through Cars Land, but we're not doing Cars Land yet. We're going to head over to the Pixar area and do Toy Mania because the line is only 10 minutes right now, and that's a really good time wait, so we're going to head right on over there to ride it.
Yay!
I wonder how this night will be. The apple does not fall far from the tree. She said I almost died a week ago. I lost my way.
Dinner, chicken dinner. The carousel. Yeah?
You are my pill, I'll swallow it. Take me away to Neverland, where colors fade my disbelief and make me forget my memories. Rent a car you can't afford, put on a song that we both know. Let your hair out in the wind, put the pedal to the floor, flame your light, take a smoke. Put your broken rip off, wafers on. Doesn't matter if the sun goes down, We'll still be up, don't care about the place we found. We'll still be up, we're in this together, we both fall down. Doesn't matter if the sun goes up, 'cause we will still be high when the lights out.
Is that fun? Have fun, Amelia. Amelia.
She loved it. She barely made it. She just hit the edge of the 32-inch mark, which is crazy. She loved it. She had her hands up at one point in the middle of the ride. She got started getting used to it and stuff.
I
So
missed it too. I was so sad. I was filming on the other side, thinking it was going to come around, but I missed it. Is ready? Let's do it. Never ridden this ride before, have you?
nope.
Amelia either. It's all our first time. Woo! Look at all the tires.
That's right.
Yeah, we're going to go in there.
You just dance, everybody. Yeah.
Yellow one? Nice car, Amelia. That was cool. You get free bread? You like the bread?
Oh yeah.
Really good.
Yeah.
Guys, I got a churro here, and it's a specialty churro. It has peanut butter sauce, marshmallow, and chocolate chips on a regular churro at Disneyland. So let's give it a try. That is so good. Oh my goodness. I actually really love the flavors. I might have a little bit of sauce all over myself, but that's okay because that means it's really good. All right, Amelia, you want a bite? How's it, Amelia? Is it good?
It's really good. Got a lot of peanut butter taste to it. Don't really taste the marshmallow too much, but the peanut butter is really strong on this one. And the churro is really good. it's definitely something to get. All right, so come and get these churros at Willie's Churros at Californian.
You want to sit next to Mama? Peace. Chocolate. Cheese. Can you say Disneyland? Disney.
Amillia was having so much fun.
Yeah, dancing with Mickey and Minnie. She loved it.
So what's next?
We're gonna go get some food at the Lamplight Lounge.
Nice.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Alright, you guys, we got the Lobster Nachos. Now this is iconic for the Lamplight Lounge. So this is always like a must get here. That's what everyone says. This is our first time eating it, so here we go. Those are so good. I like the sauce. It's really creamy, a little spicy, huge punch of lobster. It's a great balance. And the cheese, the beans, everything just goes all really good together.
Like I've had Wagyu all week. Something that I would get again. So. Going down this big slide.
Woohoo, go! Got mac and cheese with no bacon and a chili combo here from Cozy Cone. Amillia, you want to be the first one to take a bite? All right, you ready? Here we go. All right, I'm going to try the chili. Whoa, this is icy. Like that. How is it, Paul?
Mac and cheese is great. I really like it.
Amelia seems to really love it. This is a good kids go-to. Paul.
Yep. It gets really messy though.
We got Jack Num Num cookie. It's a chocolate chip, giant cookie, warm cookie. It's just a cookie. You want to try it? So cool. Paul, what are we doing?
I think we're gonna go back to the room, right?
Yep.
We're gonna grab pizza now or later?
Now.
We're gonna grab everything, go back to the room, and enjoy the light show from the balcony.
Wish that I could stay. Wish for this moment to never go away. But it's all in my mind. And though I know that there is nothing to find, you're a beautiful sight in the summer night. And you can't put up a fight in the misty light.
We got Num Num cookie. It's Jack's cookie. Jack Num Num cookie. However you said.